What is that exposition? Patanjali is not talking about body first. He is not talking about soul. He is talking about thinking self, mind. Yoga chitta-vritti nirodha. Yoga means obtaining control over the modifications of mind. There are two meanings for this. With the methods which are being explained to you by your teacher, with the help of yogic methods, you attain the wisdom. This is one meaning. By having control over mind and modification, that is called yoga, that is second meaning. But there is a vast difference. There are some methods which teacher says, by using those methods, by applying those methods, you can have control over the mind and its modifications. What do you mean by control? I am sure this word is not a right word to be used. Having learned to direct your mind, which is a force between your mortal and immortal self. Body and breath, this is one unit. Individual soul that exists beyond mind and its modifications, conscious and unconscious, is different unit. This lies between, this wall is between. This is an obstacle for the ignorant. This is a means for the wise. Maneva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayo. The same mind which is considered to be an obstacle can be used as useful tool. Provided you know your mind. There are many methods of knowing mind, and we will try to probe and explain and understand all the various methods used in ancient and modern times. But Patanjali's method seems to be so accurate, very accurate. So he says, mind and modifications. If you train your body and apply all your sources to train your body, you will never know truth. So Patanjali is not talking about body first. He directly goes to the mind and its modifications. Patanjali is not talking something overhead, talking about soul directly. He talks about mind.